How to see active devices on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Facebook. And once you do that, click on the profile picture or three lines at the top right. And once you're here, navigate to your settings. Once you are on this page right here, click on the Meta Account Center. And here from the Account Settings section, click on Password and Security. And again from the Security Checks section, click on the option that says where you're logged in. And here on the accounts page, select your Facebook account. Once you do that, you will get to this page right here, which is the login activity page, where you will be able to see all of the devices that your Facebook account is logged in, aka the active devices. And you have the option to log out from whichever device you want. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can check and find the active devices on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.